I am GCC and Dr.Anamika Ahirwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Open Source Technology, and today's session is difference between GCC and CC compiler. CC is the name which is given to the Unix compiler command, and this CC is used as a default computer command of your operating system, and this can be, you can say, also is executable with the same command, whereas as compared to GCC, it is the GNU compiler operating system, and on the system that runs on GNU and the Linux, it is common to find the CC being a link so that the scripts can use either compiler interchangeably and easily. So there are many other differences also, and the main difference between these two, they are GCC and CC compiler, are the compilers like C compilers and C++ compilers. So the C++ compilers do accept C++ programs, of course, but do not compile programs in C arbitrarily, and this is generally true, although it has been shown that it is possible to write C language code in the subset that can understood well by C++, even when many C programs are not valid C++ programs. Okay. So on the other hand, C++ compiler accepts C programs but reject most of the C++ programs that run in them. Okay. And the main reason behind this problem is that the C++ programs run constructs that are not available in C. Okay, although both the languages are somehow same, but the thing is we are using constructor, destructor, we are using objects for calling the functions in C++, whereas in C we just put the functions, create the functions and calling the functions, but here object concept is there in C++. So in quality assembler that is generated in GCC, which is the GNU compiler collection, and it is extremely good at this task. So native compilers do however work better at times, and Intel compilers can be said to have through optimizations that are yet to be replicated in GCC. So you can say both the GCC and CCC compiler are all in the new to the current standards, and even though there are tiny differences between standard languages and the languages that the compiler supports. So these standards are C++98, C++2003, C99, these are the versions actually, and older C89 supports is available in both compilers, and an understanding of the responses except is critical to ensure that the compiler rolls out as expected. So all the GCC seems like focus of making life easier due to extension and tweaks that can be done to it and to get the desired results. So in summary, you can see that there is a problem with cross compatibility of C and C++ compile libraries, and C++ programs can perform on C libraries, but this is platform specific, and the use of library composed of C requires the whole program to be compiled with CC and not GCC. And if you have a library compiled in CC and G++, one of the libraries must be recompiled. Okay, so this is all about today's session. Thank you so much. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.